Hey, what's going on, guys? Neil here, bringing you a brand new video. Hope everyone's having a great day. Today I just wanted to make a video to cover how to trade cryptocurrencies on GDAX, which is the professional exchange for Coinbase. So I'm going to go over a few different types of orders, a few indicators, and how to use the platform overall. Alright, so getting started here, we can go to Coinbase, which I have pulled up on the left here. Check out the link below, and your first $100 buy of cryptocurrency, you'll get a free $10 in Bitcoin using the link below. So once you're on Coinbase, you just type in GDAX.com, and this will come up, and you sign in using your normal Coinbase account. From here, I'm just going to show you just for an example. To transfer funds from Coinbase to GDAX, you just go and hit deposit. As you can see, it's already linked to my Coinbase account. And you can type in the amount that you want to send over. So I'm going to send over the remaining Bitcoin I have in my BTC wallet. And of course, if you want to send it from a different exchange like Binance, Poloniex, Bitfinex, Bittrex, go ahead and send using this code right here, using your BTC address. So back to the Coinbase account, I'm going to type in 0.00 0.001397, and you can go ahead and hit deposit funds. It says Coinbase transfers are instant and free, so you're not going to get charged when you're transferring this, which is really nice, and deposits from your Coinbase accounts are unlimited. We go ahead and hit deposit funds. As you can see, it says you successfully deposited that Bitcoin. Now if I want to go over here and check my fills, or sorry, if we check my accounts, this is where you can see that there was a transfer of 0.001397. So I confirmed that I received my Bitcoin there. So going back to the trading page, this is a page that we're going to look at for the most part. So first I just wanted to cover what are the fees on GDAX. So GDAX uses a maker-taker fee model, or that provides liquidity. Maker orders are charged different fees than orders that take liquidity, taker orders. Currently, all markets have a maker fee of 0%. BTC markets have a taker fee of 0.25%, and ETH and LTC markets have a taker fee of 0.3%. So as far as deposits and withdrawals, they're all free. And then a wire deposit costs a little money. So there's no fee to open up a GDAX account or for holding funds. You may hold assets as long as you desired. Your account will not be close to inactivity. So you guys might be a little confused. What is a maker and what is a taker? So here I have a quick few sentences on what that actually means. So that means the makers are making liquidity by placing orders that are available to satisfy later market orders. The takers are removing liquidity by reducing the number of orders on the book that can match against any subsequent orders. So what this means is that if you go back to GDAX, if I set a market buy or sell, I'm going to be what they call a taker, and I'm going to take a 0.25% or 0.3% fee, which obviously you don't want to do. But in order to become a maker, so you're placing orders that are available to satisfy later market orders, you can make a limit buy or a limit sell. So you want to keep, they just added this execution thing right here and this advanced, so you can put in your order until it's canceled, until a certain time. You can also, your order will be executed as a make order, or if you want to allow your order to be executed as a maker or a take order, you have the chance of getting feed. So I would keep it as post only. And in here, you type in the amount of Bitcoin. So let's say I want to sell 0.1 Bitcoin. Go to sell 0.1 Bitcoin, and the price is at 10,360. Let's say I want to sell at 10,400. So I'd type in 10,400 Bitcoin, and I'd place my sell order. 10,400. And as you can see, it's going to give you your total USD value, which is $1,040, as you can see. And as you can see right now, live, Bitcoin is making a good push back up from the pullback it had earlier today. So I'm not going to go and sell just yet. But on the right here, you can see the market orders. So as you can see, all these are all the orders that are getting filled, and here's the price that they're getting filled at, and how many Bitcoins they're getting filled for. So to use this depth chart right here, you can see where the big buyer and seller walls are. It looks like we have a pretty big buyer wall at 10,310. Doesn't look like there's any big seller walls. All right, so to go over the candlestick charts and the overlay real quick, I'll make a separate video on how to read candlestick charts, but if you have questions on that, let me know and I can make a video on that. Then you have the 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, 1 hour, 6 hour, and 1 day candlesticks. So right now I'm on the 1 minute, as you can see. I could change it to 5 minute, 1 hour, 15 minutes, 6 hours, or even a 1 day chart. As you can see, Bitcoin has kind of been trending down since that 20K mark in late December and early December that it hit as well. So it's definitely on a pretty big dip right now. So definitely a good time to kind of enter into the cryptocurrency markets. And also, if you guys have any questions on trading stocks, I just made a video on how to trade stocks on Robinhood and their cryptocurrency platform. So check that one out. And if you want to get a free stock when signing up for Robinhood, you don't even have to put in any money. Go ahead and click that link below, and you'll get a free stock when you fill out your application for Robinhood. All right, so the last thing I want to go over was the overlays. So I covered this in a different video, what the EMA actually meant. It's the exponential moving average. But the ones that they offer on GDAX are the 12-day and 26-day EMA. So let's go to a 5 minute just to make this easy. Actually, we'll stick to a 1 minute even. So as you can see, when Bitcoin or anything is trending down, the candlesticks are below EMA, it's called. So as you can see, early this morning, it was trending down, the candlesticks are below. When Bitcoin is trending up, they're usually above EMA, it's called. So a good strategy that a lot of traders use is they buy at the break of EMA. So you could have bought here 10,300. Again, here could have bought around 10,300, already be up about $100 per Bitcoin. So that's definitely a good trading strategy that you can use. Make sure that you set limit orders. So when you're buying, you're not actually paying a fee. On top of that, let's cover stop. So to use stop, I usually use this only for selling, but you can use it for buying too. But let's just cover it for selling. For buying, what a stop means is you can get in once the price hits a certain price. So let's say Bitcoin hits 10,500, and I want to buy 1 Bitcoin once it hits 10,500. I'll place that in here. What's the US dollar amount that I actually want to buy? So let's say I want to buy $1,000 USD. That's the stop price. And the limit price, this is the most you're willing to pay. Let's say I'm willing to give it a little bit of a spread, 10,550. So if I place this buy order, that Bitcoin is about 0.09 Bitcoin, and it will get executed once Bitcoin hits 10,500, and I'll be able to go ahead and get executed or filled in between 10,500 and 10,550, which is plenty of room. Let's move on to stops for selling. So when I use this for selling a lot, if I want to, sleep well at night and not worry about what the Bitcoin's volatility is doing. So for stop sell, same features right here, but it's a little bit different. So they're going to ask you how much Bitcoin you want to sell. Let's say, once again, I want to sell 0.1 Bitcoin. And let's say I think that if Bitcoin drops below 10,000, it's going to drop even more, probably down to, let's say, 9,000, 9,500. Let's say that's my speculative theory. So I'm going to go ahead and put this stop price at 10,000. And what that's going to do is it's going to execute an order for 0.1 Bitcoin once the price drops below 10,000. And the limit price is going to be the least amount of money you're willing to accept for that sell order. So I like to give it about $50 in room just in case the price is moving really quick. I don't want to get screwed and not get filled. So it's going to put your total USD at 995. When you sell this, it could get filled at 10,000. It could get filled at 9,950. Just depends on how quick the market's moving and the market orders at that certain time. So let me know if you guys have any questions. I'm just trying to document my journey for you guys. I definitely don't claim to be a pro in this field, in cryptocurrency or stocks or any of that. I'm not a financial advisor, but I'm just trying to document my journey and share relevant information with you guys. So if you could drop a like, comment, subscribe, and share this video, it really helps out a lot. Check out the links below in the description to get started with your trading. I really appreciate it. Hope you guys have a good one.